Nicely done, Bats. You deserve a prize. Your old pal, Commissioner Gordon. Say, he looks all run down. Let's pep him up.
No! Batman! Get away!
Here we go! We're gonna have some fun now, kiddies! You're trying to resist the change! That's not fair! Come on, give in! So, you wanna play hardball, Bats, do you? Your call! Pickle, pickle! No! Oh, you're ruining my big night! Months of planning down the crapper. I just wanted to bring down your grim facade and for once let you see the world as I see it, giggling in a corner and bleeding. But you've denied me even that. I have nothing to live for.
Arkham Asylum remains under lockdown, its staff at the mercy of the rampaging inmates. Just 10 minutes ago, we received this taped message.
Greetings, Gotham! Joker here! Arkham is mine! Soon I'll unleash madness untold onto the streets of Gotham. But first, direct your eyes to the rooftops and witness the final destruction of your dear Dark Knight.
We've been circling the tower since this... Wait! There! Joker's making his move!
Showtime, Batman! Let's give the room something to talk about! Two freaks in a fight to the death! And for one night only, please welcome our special guest referee! Come on! Change! Get crazy! It's the only way to beat me! You know you want to. Never. You wasted the antidote on yourself? Now that's funny! Hysterical! But you still spoil my fun, and for that, I'll paint Arkham with your blood. Let's get ready to tango! I'll rip you apart for all Gotham to see. Excuse me, Bats. In you come, boys. I've softened them up for you. Ow! Look out! So, Mr. Referee, how was that round, please? What? Keep Just right as top I see. People of Gotham! Get off me! When I get out of this, I'm going to rip your... Give me your best shot, Bats! You ready for this, Bats? Time out, bats! My people. Give them a kicking for me, boys! I'm bored of them. Mind your head, bats! I think it's unanimous decision. I am the greatest! More helicopters? How exciting! What are you doing? You'll die for this, bats! Bring it on! I'll rip you apart for all Gotham to see! Back in a second, bats! Come in, boys! Knock him about a bit! I've got a city to address. Here it comes. I'll give you something for the morning news, Gotham. When I'm done here, this won't stop me! I can take it. I can take anything you throw at me, bats. You can't beat me. I'm actually going to win. Ready for the next round?
Always.
What?
I'll never let you win. Never.
Thank God. I was so worried.
I'm fine, Barbara. The GCPD finally has control of the asylum. Doctors are treating the injured, but it looks like it'll take some time. All super criminals are back in custody. Quite a mess in there. And the venom-enhanced inmates are returning to normal. Though for some, the process can be quite painful.
Dad, how are you doing?
I'll survive. See you tonight, Barbara. Shame about your car. Can I give you a ride?
Thanks, Jim, but I have one on the way.
Get some rest. You deserve it.
The Second National Bank was just robbed by Harvey Dent, a.k.a.
Stay safe, Jim.
2 officers down. The suspect is fleeing in their patrol car.